Welcome to the program. My name is Faith Morden. On today's program, the theme is As the Windmill Turns. I'm going to take you on a whirlwind tour of everything you need to know about wind power. Did you know that wind power has zero pollution? That means that there are no harmful emissions released into the air like carbon dioxide or CO2. Wind power is even renewable. Yay! That means that as long as the sun heats the earth at an uneven rate, which gives the ocean's current, we're never going to run out of wind. Yeah! Well, hello there. How does a windmill work, you might ask? You see, when wind hits the arm of a windmill, it causes a spinning motion. This spinning motion turns a turbine, which in turn turns a generator, which generates the electricity. Why, hello again. Now I know what you're asking yourself. How much energy does one windmill produce? Well, an average 750 kilowatt windmill generates enough power to power 328 homes. Where'd my graph go? Here it is. The wind picked up again. Sorry. Wind power. This graph shows the sample power curve of a wind turbine. This curve here shows how strong the wind has to be for the windmill to be most efficient. To be efficient, the wind has to blow at least 13 miles per hour. And that means it gives out 400 kilowatts. Why, hello there. My family turned off the air conditioning to save money. With the money we're saving, I have a beautiful new fan. But while we're talking about money, did you know that wind power creates more jobs per gigawatt than coal? And that because the price of wind power has decreased by 90% in 20 years, it's comparable to coal as well. You see, wind power costs 3.5 to 4 cents a kilowatt hour to generate, while coal costs 4 cents to 15 cents a kilowatt hour to generate. While we're talking about generation, it provides jobs for contractors, construction workers, and suppliers. That's great. And if you're a farmer and you rent out a windmill, it can produce additional income of $2,000 to $4,000 a year. They could be waving their money fans too. Why, hello there. You just caught me admiring some of my favorite green stuff. I love green. Green is great. It's renewable. It's clean. And do you want to know what else is renewable and clean? Wind power. Wind power is so green, it's gold. It wins gold for being friendly, and animals can graze around it and crops can grow around it. There's only one downside that some scientists argue. Roads have to be built to these windmills so that maintenance can be done. I still think the positive outweighs the negatives because in the end, green is what matters.
It all comes down to a question of ethics. Being ethical means doing what is right for our generation now and also what will benefit future generations. Being ethical means stopping the current practices that destroy our Earth. It means stepping up and investigating newer, greener ways to generate energy. The world looks to Canada as a progressive nation that leads by example. Sarnia Lambton is opening Canada's largest solar farm, so we are setting a new standard as a green community. Our flat landscape is ideal for wind generation. If going green is a question of ethics, the answer is truly blowing in the wind.
Cut it at any time. End. Cut it at any time.